Welcome again to the Melling Law YouTube channel, where we talk about different estate planning topics relevant to people living here in Utah. We are continuing this video series about estate planning at different stages of life, and this video specifically for people who are single and past retirement age. And this could be single whether because they have never been married, or because they're divorced, or if they've become widowed where their spouse has passed away. Anyone in that kind of a category, a trust is almost always an absolute need unless you have no real estate and all your bank accounts are under $75,000. So for anyone else, anyone who has any level of equity in their home or other real estate or any kind of financial account above $75,000, they're definitely going to want to consider a trust if they are not married. And that is because if your property isn't held jointly with a spouse, and it's not recommended that you would want to hold it jointly with a child for reasons we've stated in other videos, then you're definitely going to want something that's going to bypass that probate process. Because unlike a married couple who, if they're both healthy and 65, their odds of at least one of them making it to 85 are very high. Whereas if you're 65, the odds are a little bit different, because you're not adding up the likelihood of two people living to a certain age, but instead just one person. So if you're a retired person and you are not married to someone who is living, then you're definitely going to want to consider some kind of living trust if you're living in the state of Utah. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us at mellinglaw.com or at 435-572-0807.